Greetings to you, a very pleasant greetings from Accra, Ghana, the vibrant city of Accra. I hope you're doing well and your week is off to a great start. So today's video will show you some of the compound work that has to be done before we level the land for landscaping. That is electricity provision for our wall lights outside. There's provision for our water pump in the back of the house, which is automated, which will pump when needed and stop when we don't need it. So there's a provision for it. We're going to test it and we're going to put a cage over the pump so that it doesn't get stolen. There is a doorbell and wall lights for the front entrance, and there will be electricity provision for the automated system for the gate as well. So as you can see, these lines are being put in place so that we can run the cable through them, so we can have some lights on the compound. So that is another phase of electrical work and plumbing work that has to be happening simultaneously before we level the land for landscaping. So there you have it. After this stage, once the cables are run through, the electrician will start putting in fixtures in the house. For example, like your sockets and stuff will start going in. So that's coming up next for the electrician. But yeah, as you can see, these lines are being put in place so we can bury them and put the landscaping on afterwards. The mason has done some dressing of some of the areas that was welded to put in these railings, etc. So as you can see, that has been cleaned up. The walls are smoothened up and ready for paint. And underneath the stairwell, as you can see on the side of the stairs, if you remember from the last video, was pretty rough, so that's been smoothened out, and the Andrea is going to go on it to skim it to prepare it for painting as well. So there you have it. The rest of the video will be my interactions with the POP guys. Stay tuned. Abdul, oh fine, one for molding, right? No, no use or aluminium material no cafe mold. POP fiber. If it's much way, J Choni. Oh, you don't change your model and a kind. Oh wow. Okay, a corner cell na kind of. Oh. If they outside it, Marque. Wow. Eh, Nanta Mina. Yeah. Go off it, steps as she and only carpenter our fair and our painting. Really? They're buying a fish. Oh, really? Okay. So I want more contact, Marque. Okay, to la wa, because we are in Kotokwemi, Emmy, a dog. No, I find a she to I feel a thing. More than she shared, a man. She shared, a man. A buying a kind of. Okay. Okay. You have follow steps, order. Oh, okay. Okay. Mina. Perfect. What did we say? What learn a kind? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, very nice. No, okay. Jerry no, a fiber. POP cement fiber. Oh, wow. No, POP cement can you feel near what? Then you don't change your floor. Wow. It's too much. Chia was I was at the being TV. Sanuke day. I know they have been to be cried. It's tree no matter by force. Into I say fiber, don't fiber. Near go on. And no any POP cement no. Now mix here. Now they are mold no. Now why shape no sir. Wow. See how long now I POP Juma? Oh, okay. And no man a shape no sano. Oh, okay. Tini na soft sa. How long they take you answer ewo? We are mold na. And chana wana a better kakra. 30 minutes. Oh, I enter more. Wow. Inti sani a tire board no soon not way. Oh. Wow. Why dear? How long now I a POP? 1.5 years. We need you. Yeah. That's good. Wait, yeah. 19. Why are you? Coffee P 19 nim omo pesa omo ye. Inti obey POP ache. Because ope art na aka ho no. Yeah. Me to me who say we are passionate. No one find a bed in steps say here. Henny a plaster town. Yeah, bien. Never feel a skimming now. Okay. Thank you.